Ladies and gentlemen, we managed to flip a $21 account into $489 on this beautiful gold trade right here. So watch to the very end as I show you everything step by step right here. As you can see from here, we saw a beautiful drop. But before all this, let me show you what happened. I was actually able to focus this particular trade in our private community right here. Before all that happened, all I wanted to see was the market pull back into this area. So by the time I was waking up, I found that the Asian session was already taken out. Hence, I just waited for the market to pull back into this area. And you can see that I was able to also share this on our private community right here on Facebook. I shared the same forecast right here, and a few moments later we saw the market now coming into our pullback area where I wanted the market to come to. And you can see once the market came to this level right here, I was able to execute this trade. I was able to send this trade with 63 pips stop loss and 1,000 pips target right here. And soon after that, we saw the market beautifully pushing to the upside, and you can see that the market pushed with beautiful momentum to the upside right here. And this trade, this account, I had $21 in this account and I bought multiple positions, and you can see the market had pushed and all the way. Right now I was running about $300 in profit, and eventually the market ended up going all the way to this level right here, and we moved our stop loss to break even on the main account. And right there I'm running over like 21k. I'm going to share a screenshot, and you can see that right now the market has gone all the way this level right here, and the target was like 1 to 17 risk reward ratio, and right now the market is up almost like 1 to 11.3 risk reward ratio, which is just absolutely amazing. And the fact that we're able to share all this before it happened, that speaks a lot. And this was just a beautiful trade, right? We simply just waited for the market to pull back right here. So it's a nice drop based rally, multiple break of structures, Asian session being taken out, classical. Once the market pulled back into this area, that was our confirmation to execute this particular trade. And guess what? The rest was history. So the other account was able to push it from $21 to literally about $489. I'm going to share a screenshot, and also if you haven't watched like a small video I actually uploaded yesterday where I literally recorded myself withdrawing $489. I'm going to link it down up right here. As you can see right here, this was just a beautiful trade. So if you go to the 4 hour, the daily time frame, for example, for context, you can see that the overall trend has been pushing to the upside. Therefore, it was just wise for us to look for buying opportunities, right? So you can see that the market was continuously pushing to the upside, and also this nice big drop right here. And guess what? I went to the lower time frame to actually see what was happening right there. If you go to the 5 minutes time frame where I went, you can see that the market gave us a nice drop based rally with multiple break of structures to the upside. Other than that, we saw the market taking out the Asian session. For me, Asian session is key. Once it's taken out, there's a very high chance that the market will go for the high. And you can see the market touched here, but I've entered from here, but I wasn't on the market by that time. And the market pulled back, giving me another chance to execute. And then once the market came to this level, we executed, and guess where the market is right now? About over 11 risk reward ratio in profit, just like that. Otherwise, this was just an amazing trade. I'm going to share some of the screenshots up above right there. And yeah, this is just amazing. And guys, I'm sorry for having been away from making such content for a while, but guess what? We're back now. We'll be giving you more of such content. All right, so you guys, if you like this video, comment, show me in the comment section that you actually enjoy such type of content and all that. All right, I hope you found value. Until next time, goodbye.